Hi everyone, Sylwia here and welcome to my web agency fortune review. So I am pretty excited guys because today I am reviewing this super cool software I have found on JVZoo. As you may know, on JVZoo you will find products that are really made by professionals, and they are like genuine amazing softwares that will do the job for you, and that's what I like. So Web Agency Fortune is a software that's going to create amazing websites for you. But hey, you will have templates for, I believe, either 11 or 12 different niches. So 11 or 12, we will check that properly in a second. We'll dig in right inside of the sales page. I have to full demo everything, and we'll check what you can expect, what you get, with this product. So yeah, you have those templates, and then they're fully editable, customizable. So it comes also with commercial license, so you can sell those websites on the most popular marketplace would be Fiverr.com, but you can also just contact local businesses and tell them that you can create this amazing website for them, and you will show them the template, okay? And they just look stunning, the stunning, beautiful websites. And obviously you will customize it, it comes with the full training and the tutorials, so will all be explained to you how to do that. If you have a rough idea of like maybe marketing agency, or just like a smart person who learns fast, then you will just learn it in no time, and with the training, everything. If that's what you want to do, just learn how to create the WordPress website. So yeah, the WordPress base, so learn that and you will see how much money you can make. It's gonna be an amazing source of profit for you. And they have like some amazing upsells as well, and it is something that you just pay once for and you get a lifetime access to. It's not like you will be paying on monthly basis and if any of that BS, So you pay once and you can use it for the rest of your life. Yeah. So guys, let's check it out, because as I said, it's something else. I love this product. Okay, so here we are on the sales page, and they say incredible offer for agencies, local and video marketers to get high-paying clients. Create and sell the most stunning business websites ever offered on JVZoo. 100% done for you, 100% WordPress based, mobile optimized, and 100% ready to sell in minutes. So start your own website agency in minutes from now and profit from private buyers like doctors, attorneys, restaurants, constructors, and many other niches. Because what business doesn't need a website these days? I mean, you will be so busy, with your job if you decide to create websites for businesses. So commercial license is included. Sell to clients immediately. That's the beauty of it. You can use it for your clients. So done. What you get inside is done for you. Web agency business, 100% customizable. Create and install within minutes. Built for WordPress. Easy to use, but important to remember. But it's yeah, it's WordPress based, so remember that. And sell to prospects today. Commercial rise included. Beautiful royalty-free images. No coding ever, no design skills, so you can do it, because even if you don't have design, the talent or the design skills, it will do the work for you, because it has amazing tools and the training is provided, guys. So you will be taught how to use that software, and with practice, they say practice makes perfect. Okay, so if you put in patience and determination, if you master this skill, this is like a great source of income. because everyone needs websites. Okay, so 12. Okay, 12 stunning business websites, and then, you know, for various niches, I'll show them to you in a second. Content and sales video included. Okay, so profit in 3 simple steps. Step number 1, pick a niche. Step number 2, install our stunning website template and customize in minutes. So you put in your client's details, basically. So how easy is that? So step number 3 is sell and profit from local businesses and by selling on freelance sites like Fiverr.com, for example. I mean, if you go on Fiverr.com, if you check how much people actually charge for creating their WordPress sites, it's in thousands. Sometimes it's in thousands, yeah. And with the stunning pages you would be creating with this software, you can easily charge that because they're just beautiful. Now look at the examples of the websites, you see? For like web design agency, for dentist, family lawyer, personal injury lawyer, and then you have childcare, pet grooming, pizza restaurant, coffee shop, you know, all those like popular niches. Wow, I mean, like, I'm really loving it. I don't know if I'm not gonna pick it up myself, to be honest, just like busy with my business already. But for someone, you know, who wants to do that, this is a great opportunity. So for chiropractors, roofing constructor, free tree service, HVAC contractor, right, so for those niches. Okay, and then, okay, here we have a bunch of testimonials as well, many testimonials of the people who are really loving it. And guys, if you're on the sales page, you know, this is the guy, Mario Brown, his name is the product creator. Do watch that sales video. I normally skip it kind of, but actually I listen to what he's got to say. It's like 10 minutes long video and he talks no nonsense. I love Mario, okay? He's a very like professional, genuine vendor. He comes up with amazing softwares. So watch that video. He gives you a walkthrough. I mean, he talks to you about this product, what you can expect, what it's all about, and how you will benefit. He talks about the main features, so you know, he puts everything together nicely, so you get a good understanding of what you're getting yourself into. And then, okay, as we scroll down, it's not too long. This page, I love it. It's like no BS. It's just like, you know, proper information. Here's all of the features you will get inside, but I'll play the demo for you, and also I attach the link to the demo below my video. So guys, before you decide to buy it, especially before you decide to buy it from me, okay, because I attach the link to the below my video as well, and if you go via that link, you can grab you know, web agency fortune from me. So here we go. And we have all of the features, but in that demo I'll play for you, and again I'll attach the demo link below my video. So do watch it before you buy it. Do watch it, like, for sure, okay? So you know what you're getting. You will have a pick into the members area, and you can decide whether you like it or not. But if that's what you want to do, if you want to create websites and sell them to clients, I cannot think of a better software to do that, because it's going to create just extraordinary websites. Yeah, as you can see, I'm pretty like excited to share it because I love it. Okay, so here you will get alright, 2 bonuses on top of just the front end. I believe there are either 3 or 4 upsells, but we will check them on later on. So bonus number 1 is a powerful web design agency website. So guys, you're getting that, like, you know, kind of like a marketplace. I mean, like the agency will sell the website you will create for you. You will create. So it's like, wow. And then bonus number 2 is done for you sales videos. Cool, with the either US voiceover or UK voiceover. Alright, so if you go below my video and click that link, it's going to bring you to this page, and you can just click on this one, buy now. I think there's a discount as well. We'll check it on later on, so stay tuned for that. If you want to grab the discount, 14 days money back guarantee, guys, so not 1 month, 14 days. Bear that in mind. my 2 weeks money back guarantee. No question, no like, if you decide it's actually not for you, if you don't want to use it, if you don't want to do that, then you can return it within, again, 2 weeks. Right. Okay, here we have some frequently asked questions as well. There's quite a few questions, guys. Please go through those questions. They're on the sales page, so like you will find it in the link below my video. So check out the frequently asked questions. Now, I believe that how many websites can I create with the template? Okay, so a basic web agency fortune license allows to create up to 100 websites. You can purchase the upgrade to remove the limit. Okay, so remember, 100 websites in the front end. If you want unlimited, you will have to upgrade. But that's to be expected. And yeah, and more questions, do check out the questions for sure, and the frequently asked questions, so you know, like, make an educated decision so you know what you're getting, again, yourself into, right? Okay, and here we go. What else do we have? So let's check out, shall we check out the demo? Yeah. Now let's see. I'll kind of like just show you what you have inside. Attach the full demo below my video. And now you can, so here's the dashboard, right? So posts, media, pages, comments, projects, appearance. Okay, so here's where you will be doing all of the customizing, this and that, you know, and then plugins, users, tools, settings, and more. Okay, let's see what they're doing. So step 1, important theme options. Okay, so they pick the theme. Theme. Okay. Okay, you will have also the integration. So SEO, it's very SEO friendly as well. You have to hook up your autoresponder as well here, so it's gonna be integrated. I'll just fast forward this because, you know, I can't really play it with the voice. I can't play it loud, otherwise I would get like YouTube strikes because of the, you know, music copyrights. But they are showing you everything you need to do. Okay, and the builder and how they customize everything. So it's all nicely explained. I believe it's about like 6 minutes long. Okay, import WordPress, all of that. So yeah, everything is shown to you. Enjoy the new website. Voila. Okay, lovely. Watch the full demo. It's excellently explained now. I could not even try and explain it any better than the guys who actually have created the product. So listen to them. Watch the full demo. It's below my video. Okay, I just want to tell you that there's a discount apparently. So early bird, it launches today. So it launches at 5 p.m. ET, so Eastern time. Okay, and there is no coupon until 5 p.m. After 5 p.m. the coupon is Web 2. Okay, Web 2. So pick that coupon and get your discount. Okay, and the launch is till Sunday. And guys, they do say that the price will be going up, and I would not be surprised because this is amazing software. So I mean, it can be like the closer till the end of the launch, the price will be going up, and after the launch will be probably much higher. Anyhow, so here's the upsells. The front end is for now 47. So with this Web 2, I believe it's gonna be for 45. So what you get? You get 11 local business websites. No, okay, here they say 11, on the sales page is 12. So I don't know which one is true, but you know, you get either 11 or 12 templates. Web design agency, website promotion, video, you get it. Okay, so it's the bonuses. Okay, these two are bonuses, but all of the features, guys, you will check them and read about them on the sales page. Now, OTO number 2 is upgrade package. So remove watermark. Prospecting emails, okay, so you will get some prospects, you know, so that you could work with. And agency legal document templates. OTO number 2 is web agency fortune extended niches, so 25 additional niches, so and no watermark. Okay, cool. OTO number 3 is extra marketing material for 40 niches. So 40 videos, PPT, I'm not sure what it stands for, 500 plus social media images. And OTO number 4 is local video fortune, so 60 local videos in 20 niches, US and UK, voiceover, whiteboard and blackboard version, PowerPoint, templates, square videos. Alright guys, that's just like a walkthrough. Obviously it's not one person here, I'm here to review the product, and I think it's a beautiful, genuine software. It's gonna do like the job for you. So if you're into website creating, designing, even without having the skills to it, because you will get all of the tools, then definitely pick it up, because it's amazing, and I'm sure you will love it. The website will look breathtaking. And oh, I almost forgot. Okay, guys, do you want some bonuses? If you want some bonuses, if you pick it up from me, I mean, you don't even have to pick it up from me. It's up to you. If you like my review, sure, grab it from me. If not, like, go ahead and grab it from someone else. Now, here's my kind of like a video I have created on bonuses and what I personally think about this like idea of bonuses. Okay, so watch that video. It's below my this video, and it will give you a perspective, my perspective on this subject, but nevertheless on how I feel about those bonuses that go around and go viral. You will get a link from me to unlimited bonuses. So go get that link. Go to that video on bonuses below this video on Web Agency Fortune, right? And then if you open that bonus, watch that video if you wish. It's quite a funny one. And then below that bonus video you will have a link. You will find a link to a website that gives you access to unlimited bonuses. Okay, in whatever category or niche you want, it's up to you. Sky's the limit. All right, that's it from me for today. I've been kind of chatting away like crazy. I am quite excited, I must say, to promote the software, because I think a lot of people will benefit from it. They will love it, and they will create an amazing source of income for themselves, because websites is something every business needs. Okay, and you will have beautiful templates for various niches, and if you upgrade, you can like create unlimited websites and then just sell them. There's so many places like Fiverr.com, or they will even provide you this agency, okay, so which will do the kind of like advertising and promoting for you. All right, cool. So stay blessed. Give me some likes, guys. Give me some likes. If you found this content helpful, entertaining, I don't know, I can be quite a clown as well, then yeah, just subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next review. I fire them up almost daily, sometimes a few videos a day, so I kind of go crazy. But I enjoy it. I am having fun, so why not? Alright, stay blessed and see you in the next one.